Hello, are you looking to do some gardening? Then I have a great kit for you. It is this Jiffy kit. You get 36 pellets. So that means that you get like 36 of these little like soil things. Look how tiny these are. And it comes in this really cool tray where they have like a little place that each of them sits in there. You can like see that from the bottom. You also get some stakes so that you can write on there what it is. And then you get a little bit of plant food. And let me not forget about your lid. Now, you need to fill this up with like 1.5 inches of warm water over top of your soil. And then these are still puffing up. This is what it looks like. So you can see the difference there. Look at that. Amazing. And there's like a little tiny hole in the top of each one so that you can just pop your seed in there. And then you put your greenhouse on top and you are all set. So just a really great solution. Then you can take these out, pop them into the ground when the last frost is finished, and you are all set. I love them. Check them out. Happy gardening.